Kurunji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurunji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurunjischoolnkl.in.
Good morning students. In my previous session already I completed introduction part of alcohol and classification of alcohol and nomenclature. In part of nomenclature, first part already completed in my previous session, that is common or trivial system. Now we are going to start the second carbonyl system as well as the IUPAC nomenclature system. Okay ma? Good morning students. Already I said in my previous session already completed first nomenclature, common system and trivial system already completed in my previous session. Now we are going to start another naming system of alcohol. It's carbonyl system. This is the most important carbonyl system, but nowadays the carbonyl system is not followed throughout the world wise, and generally IUPAC system is going on right now. See here in this carbonyl system how to give naming of alcohol. Listen very carefully. In this system, methyl alcohol, whenever methyl alcohol, it's common, methyl alcohol is called carbinol. This is the most important word. So carbinol is nothing but methyl alcohol. Methyl alcohol name is commonly known as the carbinol. So that is an important point. In carbonyl system, if you take any one of the alcohol compound, first instead of methyl alcohol, just you added carbonyl word. So that's why in this system, methyl alcohol is commonly known as the carbinol. See first point, in this system the name is derived by the alkyl group attaches to the carbonyl carbon. So how to give naming in this system? First of all, carbonyl carbon attaches to the alkyl group. Carbonyl carbon attaches to the alkyl group. Later we will explain number of example. Just to see rules and regulations of the carbonyl system. Once again, first point is in this system methyl alcohol commonly known as the carbonyl, and alkyl group attaches to the carbonyl carbon. And the second important point is alkyl group plus carbonyl carbon. And if alkyl group plus carbonyl carbon in alphabetical order and the word carbonyl is added. Actually here in carbonyl system, alkyl group plus carbonyl carbon in order of the alphabetical orders. This is the most important. See, alkyl group plus carbonyl carbon in alphabetical order and the word carbonyl is added. And third important point, in this system the name of the alcohol is written as single word. Don't separate it of alkyl group and carbonyl carbon. So in this system the name of the alcohol is written as the single word. See here some examples are there. First one, CH3OH is commonly known as methyl alcohol, commonly known as in this system carbinol, CH3OH carbinol. Now see here, listen carefully, here see CH3CH2OH. Actually this is IUPAC name is ethyl, common name is the ethyl alcohol, but in case of carbonyl system, what is this compound name? Generally common name is the 2 carbon atoms are there. That's why my dear student, this compound name is ethyl alcohol, where in common system. But In carbonyl system, see carefully, already I said here alkyl group plus carbonyl carbon. This is a carbonyl carbon because of CH2OH. So CH2OH means instead of one hydrogen, CH3 is attached. That's why this is a carbonyl carbon. This entire the group is called carbonyl carbon. Already I mentioned here, this entire the group is carbonyl carbon, and this is the alkyl group. So that's why this compound name is actually CH3CH2OH, in common name ethyl alcohol, but in the carbonyl system point of view, this is a methyl, alkyl group is methyl carbonyl. Understood my dear students? Methyl carbonyl. Why it's called methyl carbonyl? First of all, carbonyl compound attaches to the alkyl group. That's why CH3CH2OH in carbonyl system, the name is methyl carbonyl. See one more example here, CH3CH2OH. Here word root is 3. 3 means 3 carbon atoms are present. In case of common system, this compound name is propyl alcohol. This compound name is propyl alcohol. But now here see, the CH2OH is the carbonyl compound, but here CH3CH2 only, to consider only 2 carbon. So this is a carbonyl carbon. Entire this OH group and this first carbon is a carbonyl carbon, and this entire group is a alkyl group. So here 2 alkyl group. That's why this ethyl and carbonyl. Ethyl carbonyl is a carbonyl system point of view. But in common system point of view, what is this compound name? Propyl alcohol. Understood my dear students? In carbonyl system, CH3OH is commonly known as methyl alcohol. The methyl alcohol present in any given compound, that's commonly known as carbonyl. So here how to write this naming? Alkyl group plus carbonyl carbon group. Alkyl group plus carbonyl carbon group. And one more information, whenever you will written the title of alcohol in this system, single word, don't separate it. Here this is completely single word. Methyl carbonyl, ethyl carbonyl. It's a clear, my dear students? And see one more example here. Dimethyl carbonyl. You know, this is the carbonyl. See carefully. This is the carbonyl. This is the carbonyl. Complete CHOH is the carbonyl group. And left side, right side, 2 methyls are there. That's why this compound name is dimethyl carbonyl. Don't confusion. Every student is compulsory to learn all naming of alcohol in different system, common system as well as the carbonyl system and IUPAC system. Don't confusion. So every compound contain 3 different names in the alcohol category. Number 1 is a common name, and number 2 is a carbonyl name. Number 3 is a IUPAC name. So this compound name is CH3CH3. What is the compound name? Dimethyl carbonyl. Carbonyl where is located? The middle of this part. This is the carbonyl. Left side, right side, or right side, left side, 2 methyl groups are there. So this compound name is dimethyl carbonyl. It's a clear ma? See here, CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH3. See, this is a carbonyl. Listen carefully. This is a carbonyl. Because of methyl group substituted, methyl group derivatives, methyl alcohol derivatives. So this is a carbonyl, and right side ethyl group is there, left side methyl group is there. Already I said here, whenever you will write carbonyl system, you should follow the alphabetical order. See here, this is a ethyl group, this is a methyl group. According to the alphabetical order point of view, first E letter is coming. That's why this is ethyl methyl carbonyl. Most important, my dear students. See carefully here. In between left side, right side of the carbonyl carbon, ethyl groups are there as well as the methyl groups are there. But according to the alphabetical order, so first E letter is coming. That's why this compound name is ethyl methyl carbonyl. Ethyl methyl carbonyl. It's clear, ma? And one more example, 5th example. See here. This is a carbonyl. This area is called carbonyl, and 3 methyl groups are there. This is a carbonyl and 3 methyl groups. That's why this compound name is trimethyl. 1, 2, 3. Trimethyl carbinol, trimethyl carbinol. This is the most important, but nowadays my dear students, it's not follow this system, naming system, but IUPAC system, common system is the most important, but some Europe countries also followed this carbinol system. See once again my dear students, in carbinol system, how to give the naming of alcohol? First of all, methyl alcohol are commonly known as the carbinol. In this system, alkyl group attaches to the carbonyl carbon, alkyl group plus carbonyl carbon. Whenever you will write, should be follow the alphabetical order, and here the name of the alcohol is written as the single word. The name of the alcohol is written as a single word. So this is carbinol, generally carbinol, methyl carbinol, ethyl carbinol, ethyl methyl carbinol. Why is coming first ethyl? Because of alphabetical order. Ethyl methyl carbinol, and this is dimethyl carbinol, and this is a trimethyl carbinol. It's a clear ma? This is a carbinol system in nomenclature of alcohol. And most important final system naming for alcohol, IUPAC. The full form of IUPAC, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry system. So this is nowadays all countries are followed this IUPAC system as well as the common system. Okay Nana? See, in case of IUPAC system, how to give naming of alcohol? Listen, very important part. In IUPAC system, in this system, alcohol are named as alkanols. Very important. In this system, alcohol are named as the alkanols. Listen very carefully. In carbonyl system, carbinol. But IUPAC system, whenever in IUPAC system, alcohol common name is the alkanols. So here the name alkanols, the name is derived by replacing the letter E from the name of alkane. So whenever you will write IUPAC names of alcohol, the common word is or common name is the alkanols. Alkanols, it means alkane plus voles, to remove of E letter from the alkane group. Okay ma? So in IUPAC system, generally alcohol common name is the alkanols. This alkanols is coming from remove of one letter from the alkane group, addition of vol. So that's why alkanols. Okay ma? Now in IUPAC system, monohydric alcohol, see carefully, monohydric alcohol how to give naming, and dihydric alcohol how to give the names, and trihydric alcohol. So see, in monohydric alcohol, see carefully, already I informed, in monohydric alcohol, the name is alkanol. Listen carefully, for monohydric alcohol, the name of the alcohol is alkanols in IUPAC system. How is coming this word? Alkane plus vol. See, from the alkane group, E is removed. Listen very carefully. This is one of the important rule in IUPAC system. The functional group, vol is the alcohol functional group. The functional group start with vowel sound, in English vowel sound. From the alkane group, E should be dropped. This is the most important. Here vol is coming. O is nothing but English vowel letter. So from the alkane, E should be dropped. Alkanol is coming. So for monohydric alcohol in IUPAC system, monohydric alcohol or alcohol in IUPAC system, the common name is of alcohol is alkanols. Alkanols. Clear? Alkanols means alkane from alkane group plus attachment of alcohol. So here alcohol start with vowel sound, English vowel sound. That's why from the alkane group E should be dropped. So that's ultimately alkanol is coming. So now see here, now methyl alcohol, actually its common name is the methyl alcohol, but in IUPAC name this is methane. Methane replaced, one hydrogen replaced attached by the OH group. So methane plus vol, E should be dropped, already I strike out here, methane plus vol, methanol. Listen ma, CH3OH IUPAC name is methanol and common name is a methyl alcohol, and carbonyl name is a carbinol. This is entire the compound name is a carbinol. Clear ma? CH3OH in case of IUPAC system methanol. How will come methanol? This is a methane group plus alcohol. So alcohol start with vowel sound. E should be dropped from the alkane. That's why this compound name is the methanol. See one more example. And in common system point of view or trivial system point of view, this compound name is the methyl alcohol. It means alkyl plus alcohol, alkyl group plus alcohol. So here CH3OH in IUPAC naming point of view methanol, and common naming point of view methyl alcohol. It's clear, my dear students? After that, second example, see here, CH3CHOH, CH2CH3. Actually, in carbonyl system point of view, already I mentioned here, in the carbonyl system point of view, this is ethyl group, this is the methyl group, this is carbonyl. So what is this compound name in the carbonyl system point of view? Ethyl methyl carbonyl. But in IUPAC system point of view, 1, 2, 3, 4 carbon atom, it's nothing but butane plus alcohol group is there. So alcohol group is there. So now alcohol start with vowel sound. From the alkane group, E should be dropped. So that's why what is the compound name is butane. E dropped. See carefully. Butane 2-ol. Why is 2-ol? Because of alcohol group. This alcohol group present in the second carbon. That's why here 2-ol. So butane 2-ol. This is the most important. And butane 2-ol. This is also methane 1-ol also, but not mentioned clearly. Not mentioned here 1-ol. Commonly known as methanol. But here second position. Alcohol group is located in the second position of the carbon atom. That's why this compound name is in IUPAC system butane 2-ol. In carbonyl system ethyl methyl. Ethyl methyl carbonyl. Say any one of the students here in common system. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So total butyl alcohol. Actually this 1, 2, 3, 4 butyl alcohol. Butyl alcohol is a common name. And this for monohydric alcohol. See carefully. For monohydric alcohol in IUPAC nomenclature, naming of alcohol is alkanol. Clear ma? For dihydric alcohol. Dihydric means you know that very well. 2 OH group attaches to the aliphatic hydrocarbon, that is commonly known as the dihydric alcohol. In common system, dihydric alcohol you know that very well. Glycerol. Okay ma? Glycols, not glycerol, glycols. So dihydric alcohol. Now in IUPAC system, how to give naming of dihydric alcohol? And dihydric alcohol, for naming of IUPAC system of alcohol, alkane diol. Alkane diol. See here, listen carefully. E does not drop here. E does not the drop because of before O di consonant sound is coming. That's why if any one of the organic compound before the functional group consonant sound is coming, E does not drop. E should not drop here. But here vowel directly vowel sound. So that's why from the alkane group E should be dropped. But now here before the vowel di is there. Di is the consonant sound. That's why from the alkane group E should not drop. E should not drop. That's why dihydric alcohol point of view, the naming of alcohol, dihydric alcohol, the naming of alcohol in IUPAC system, alkane diols. What is ma? Alkane diols. Is it clear ma? Alkane diols. See here, CH2OH, 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 CH2OH. What is this compound name? Actually, ethane 1, 2 compound, 2 carbon atoms are there here. Ethane, because E not dropped here. See, observe very carefully. Ethane, 1 position, second position alcohol groups is there. So 2 alcohol is represented di. So ethane 1,2 diols. Ethane 1,2 diol. Here you observe very carefully. E does not drop. E should not drop here. Why? Because before the vowel, before the functional group, consonant sound is coming. That is nothing but di. So that's why from the alkane group, E does not drop. E should not drop here. Okay, ma? What is this compound name in IUPAC system? Ethane 1,2 diols. Ethane 1,2 diols. It's clear, ma? Now, one more example. See here. CH3, CHOH and CH2, CH2OH. So, this compound name is, the number of carbon atoms are 4. Number of carbon atoms are 4. It means butane. 1, 2, 3, 4. Butane. Because of why it's called butane, all are single bonds present in between of the carbon atoms. So, it is butane. And where is located alcohol group here? First, see this first carbon and third carbon has attaches the alcohol group, first carbon and third carbon. So, that is why the compound name is the butane 1,3 diols. Butane 1,3 diols. And this is the dihydric naming of IUPAC system. Once again, in the dihydric alcohol, common names, IUPAC name is the alkane diols. Keep it in your mind, alkane diols. For monohydric alcohol, alkanols. For monohydric alcohol is alkanols. For dihydric alcohol is the alkane diols. Alkane diols. And third one, trihydric alcohol. In this trihydric alcohol, what is the name? Alkane triol. Alkane triols. See carefully. Alkane triols. Alkane triol. In trihydric alcohol, alkane triols. So, trihydric is nothing but 3 OH group attaches to the aliphatic hydrocarbon, that is called trihydric. Now, in trihydric alcohol point of view, IUPAC name, the name is alkane triol. So, see here CH2OH and CHOH, CH2OH. So, what is this compound name is? Here also E should not drop none, because of before the vowel sound of alcohol, tri is coming. Tri, T is consonant sound in English language. So, that is why here compound name is propane. 1, 2, 3 propane. E does not drop here. Propane 1, 2, 3 triols. Propane 1, 2, 3 triols. Okay, ma? This is the trihydric alcohol compound name in IUPAC system. And one more example, see here. The number of carbon atoms are 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4. But where is located alcohol groups? First carbon and second carbon, fourth carbon. So, this compound name is in IUPAC system butane 1, 2, 4 triol. Butane 1, 2, 4 triols. Okay, my dear students, listen very carefully. In IUPAC system, for monohydric alcohol name is alkanol. For dihydric alcohol name is alkane diol. For trihydric alcohol name is alkane triols. Okay, ma? Don't confusion here. This is IUPAC system and this is a carbonyl system. I successfully completed right now the complete nomenclature of alcohol in common system or trivial system and carbonyl system and IUPAC system. So, keep it in your mind, carbonyl is nothing but generally methyl alcohol compound name is the carbonyl. Methyl alcohol compound name is the carbonyl. It's clear, my dear students? Okay, ma? Now, see here some important examples of alcohol in common system as well as the IUPAC system. In common system naming, IUPAC system naming, for monohydric alcohol, see here CH3OH. So, CH3OH in common name methyl alcohol and IUPAC name is methanol, and CH3CH2OH. So, ethyl alcohol, why it is called ethyl alcohol? 2 carbon atoms are present here. The alkyl group is ethyl alcohol and ethanol. ethyl alcohol and ethanol. And third one is CH3, CH2, CH2OH. So is commonly N-propyl alcohol. Already in my previous session I said if OH group directly attaches to the 1 degree carbon atom, that name is the 1 degree or N. So that's why this compound name is N-propyl alcohol, N-propyl alcohol, and IUPAC name is propane 1-ol. Propane 1-ol. See, observe here, E should drop because of vowel sound is coming from the alkane group, E is not present here. And see here, CH3, CHOH, CH3. This is secondary propyl alcohol or isopropyl alcohol. Secondary propyl alcohol or isopropyl alcohol. And this IUPAC name is the propane 2-ol. Propane 2-ol. And one more fifth example. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH2OH. So the number of the carbon atoms here 4. So OH group directly attaches to 1 degree. That's why here N. So N-butyl, number of the carbon atoms are 4. It's called butyl. N-butyl alcohol is a common name. N-butyl alcohol is a common name. And now IUPAC name is the butane 1-ol. Butane 1-ol. Here also E not present. And then sixth example is CH3, CHOH, CH2, CH3. So it's a secondary butyl alcohol. Secondary butyl alcohol. Secondary butyl alcohol. IUPAC name is a butane 2-ol. Why it's called 2-ol? Because of the alcohol group is attaches to the second carbon. That's why butane 2-ol. But in case of common system, secondary, because the OH group is located in the 2 degree carbon. So this carbon attaches to left side one methyl group, right side one. So it is a 2 degree. So that's why secondary butyl alcohol, in case of IUPAC nomenclature, butane 2-ol. What is the name? Butane 2-ol. And seventh example is CH3, CH3, CH2OH. So isobutyl alcohol, isobutyl. This kind of combination is commonly known as isobutyl alcohol. Isobutyl alcohol. It means methyl group whenever located in the second carbon of the OH group, that is called isobutyl alcohol. It is a common name. And IUPAC name is 2-methyl propane 1-ol. See, 2-methyl. This is the first carbon, second carbon. Second carbon contains methyl group, so that's why 2-methyl, and total number of the carbon atoms is longest chain is parent chain is a prop. So 2-methyl propane 1-ol. Why it's called 1-ol? Because of OH group attaches to the first carbon. So 2-methyl propane 1-ol is the IUPAC name of this compound. And last and final compound is CH3, CH3OH. This is a tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol because of 3 degree. OH group attaches to this carbon. Again this carbon attaches to the 3 carbon. That's why is a tertiary butyl alcohol. Tertiary butyl alcohol. And IUPAC name is 2-methyl propane 2-ol. 2-methyl propane 2-ol. 2-methyl propane 2-ol. These examples are belongs to the monohydric alcohol for common names as well as the IUPAC names. Okay, my dear students, now I successfully completed the introduction part of alcohol, classification of alcohol, and nomenclature of alcohol in 3 systems. Number 1 system is the common system, number 2 is the carbonyl system, number 3 is the IUPAC system. So, my dear students, in board level point of view as well as IUPAC board level point of view and commutative exam point of view, the given organic compounds, common names and IUPAC names are most important.